zaprasza Las Vegas Power Energy Drink, oficjalny partner reprezentacji Polski w piłkę nożną.
That's all I have to say, so baby, can we dance? Here we go again, another drink I'm caving in. Stupid words keep falling from my mouth. You know that I mean well, my hands are meant for somewhere else. Your eyes are doing naughty butterflies. Oh, one more drink and I should go. But maybe she might like me though. Can't think of what to say. Should I go? Should I stay? Just got nothing simple way. I talk a lot when I'm drinking, baby. I'm known to go a little too fast. Don't mind all my friends, I know they're all crazy, but they're the only friends that I have. I don't know you, but I'd like to skip the small talk and romance, girl. That's all I have to say, so
imprezę nakręca Las Vegas Power Energy Drink.